So, first video of the year, kicking it off, looking at cryptocurrency. For this video, we're going to be covering what crypto is, the different things I look at when researching different coins, and then I'm going to be analyzing some charts of some well-known crypto. So first off, what cryptocurrency is. A cryptocurrency, or crypto as it's usually referred to, is a digital currency designed to work as a medium of exchange through a computer network, which is not reliant on any central authority, such as a government or bank, to uphold and maintain it. So in other words, cryptocurrency is a decentralized asset. Now, for me personally, three things that I look at when researching any crypto coin initially. These are the utility of the coin, so what the purpose of the coin is, the max and circulating supply of the coin, and the social media pages of the coin, so Twitter, Discord, Telegram, sometimes Instagram, and just look through those three things initially when doing research of any coin. So to start off, a good place to look at is Microcap. So on this website, on Microcap, you can have different headlines to filter through. So on cryptocurrency, you can go to the rankings, exchanges, NFTs, something really big right now, and then just go to things like ICOs, airdrops, and you can see an overview of all the coins here and filter them right here accordingly. So this is a good website to look at what's going on in the crypto industry. I do believe they also show news, don't know, on the app they do anyway. So yeah, so first off, the utility of the coin. So you need to always understand what the utility of the coin is. These days, a lot of projects are coming out with their own crypto coins, but they're not always good projects to follow or invest your money into. Like for example, the Squid Game coin that came out recently, if you look it up, most people couldn't even withdraw their money from it, and then they just got rug pulled. So that's something you want to avoid. So first thing you want to check is the utility of the coin. So for example, with Bitcoin, today, the utility of the coin is basically used as a store of value or to send payments from one place to another. Tether is what we call a stable coin. So the function behind the stable coin is the value of the coin always stays at $1. So you're not going to see any increase in price from these coins because they're called stable coins. Another example of a stable coin is USDC right here. So this value doesn't change. And you have other coins which are used in the metaverse world. So for example, Sandbox, this is a very big one. They have partners like Snoop Dogg, and they basically operate in the metaverse space in the crypto world. So as always, like I mentioned, you want to check the utility of the coin. Next is the max supply and circulating supply of the coins. So thankfully on CoinMarketCap, you can check out right here, circulating supplies. Just hover over it, you see the circulating supply and the max supply shows up. So for Bitcoin, we have those values right there. Other coins like XRP, we have those values right there. You can see the max supply of XRP is a lot more than Bitcoin's. And then you can see that for all different coins right here. And then what you next want to do, check the socials. So for example, coin like Matic, for example, they have a Twitter account. You can just search, see what updates they have, any collabs they announce, any enhancements to the blockchain, and things of that sort. So yeah, have a play around this website, just get used to it, get accustomed to it, and just immerse yourself in all that information. So to start off, we're going to be looking at some coins. So first off is Bitcoin. We're going to look at what to expect from it, what's happened in the past, and see what potential plays we can see it make in 2022. So just looking from here, you can see this whole region was basically when Bitcoin was at its low compared to where it is now. Got some price action going on here, and then we have a mad bull run right here. So currently, I trade or look at Bitcoin the same way I do with Forex. And two places my eyes are drawn to, first off, is right here. So just identifying that liquidity. And then next will be this area. So we have price going sideways, we trade down, and then we start going bullish. So this place right here is an area of interest for me as well. And then this is on the weekly time frame as well. So if we go on the daily, see what we have close up. So on the daily, you can see that nice liquidity level right there. In retail terms, this would be your, I believe, support, your support area there. Moving forward, nice. Look at that boom. Price comes down, comes back up. Now we're trading lower. So I'm going to go back to weekly just to analyze this better. So right now, seems like price is reacting off this price point. Which is right here, this last area of selling before, this last area of selling right here before price took off. So two things can happen from here. As it stands, nothing's really clear, but if this rejection continues, so seeing the way price is currently rejecting this area, then Bitcoin could push to higher prices. Now, what price could it possibly, could we anticipate it pushes up to? This way is my fib. From here to here, usually I look in between my 0.2, 0.42 range. So this could be a potential price point it pushes up to if it reacts from here and continues its bullish run. That's one scenario. Next scenario I'll be looking at is if this place doesn't hold, then price will possibly come down sweep and go below this liquidity level. How far it may go low to, not entirely sure right now. Need to see before price action, but two places I can anticipate is it probably goes down low, maybe crossing below 10K, which would be crazy, and then start heading back up. Or another area I was looking at is right here, just below 20K. So that could be a case where it comes here, fills in this little imbalance we got here, and then it takes off. Second scenario. So third scenario would be, let me go on the monthly now. If it comes to around here, and then because we're going in balance here as well, or this is not really a probable entry in my eyes, but it could possibly react to that level for whatever reason, and then take off from there. So different price points where Bitcoin could drop to as of now. So nothing really certain until price moves a bit more. But so far, so I'm seeing with Bitcoin, with the way price has been behaving recently, it seems like it's going to be bearish for a while. No signs of any like strong bullish action in my opinion. But you can see so far it's holding up, hasn't broken below this low, and it's made a higher high. Right there. So the highs I use the structure for, and I'm using the structure of the weekly time frame. So clearly broken a high here. Now it's gone low, retrace low, and currently it's reacting from this price point. So it's in a really interesting place right now. If price does go bullish from here, then with Ethereum, it will sort of make sense, because now with Ethereum, it's come down to this price point. So right here, with Ethereum, we've seen it come here, came to this area. Got like 3 touches there. I guess that's what I call a good support region. And then it took off. Also made a higher high, going above this high. And now it's reacting as well. Usually, Bitcoin is the leader of these coins. Whatever it does, other coins tend to follow, which is annoying. Next, I'll be looking at Solana. So, don't know what juice this coin had to have such a crazy bullish run. That's not a nice job. I need a good food. So with this coin, obviously have very low prices here from about $2. Price pushed up. See, it had a little trend line going on here. And then we had a bullish run. So now, price has dropped from a price point. I recently analyzed this. Now price has dropped down. So right now, seems like it's reacting from here. So if Bitcoin goes bullish, Ethereum goes bullish, Solana could possibly go bullish as well from here. However, I'll be looking here as well. From this area, if it comes down here, that could be an interesting area to watch Solana. Otherwise, so far, nothing else standing out to me. Next coin will be XLP. So this coin right here is very interesting. Looking at it from here before all this price action, we can see we had this price trades down, then start trading up, price retraces, and then we blast off, and now it's coming back down. So where does my eye draw attention to? Seems like price is reacting from this candle here. Currently that's where we're at, and we've had like 2 touches already. So likewise, looks like price for these 4 coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, are reacting in interesting places. So you could see some temporary bullish action, but long term, nothing is clear to me. But I can see we have this going on. Even this looks quite quite very trend liney. So yeah, we had that here, and that was taken out. So I'm expecting these ones to be taken out as well. So you could see something like this, and that's one from here. Or if we use our fib, take it from this low up high there. The price may draw down to the 88.6 region price point and then take off. So possibly might get a nice reaction from this area, some interesting price action. Next one is sand. So looking at this coin, this is a coin that's quite big and majorly involved in the metaverse. So you can see not too long ago, October leading into November, it had this massive bull run here, and then we saw crazy prices. This is about, let's see from right here, about 1000% gain in price, and now prices retrace. Using our fib, I might take it from down here. Using our fib, price just bounced off the 702 region, and it seems like it's reacting higher. So long term, I'm bullish on this coin just because of how big the metaverse is getting and how more and more people are getting aware of it and more involved with it. You have people like Snoop Dogg participating with them and many other different projects. So those are some of the main coins I look at. I'm not going to go into too much, but we'll be doing more videos on crypto in more detail. And that's it.